Look at that. You on Daddy. Nissa is going to be so proud of you. Yes, her is. Pretty bird. And then we got Buster down here. And look at how proud of you are. Coda is going to be so proud of you. Yes. Yes, he is. Look at him. He's looking for Coda. You looking for Nissa? Say hi. Say pretty bird. Say hi, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. She's going to start dancing in a second. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. I'm waiting for her to start saying it. I think Nissa is the only one that can get her to actually say it. Get it, get it, get it. Hey, what is that noise? I can't find that one. What am I? You guys are jungle? What? You hang on a second. Back out. Back out. Oh, that's funny. Jungle Jim. Hey, you're going to untie my boots again. Hey, go untie my boots. Hmm? No. What? There's Bling Bling. Say hi, Bling Bling. What? What? Oh, look like this. And then there's Buster Bird. Buster. What? What? She just told you.